Today I'm making a very ambitious salad for my husband and myself. We are Catholics and it is Friday, and so I am making a meatless lunch, which will include hard-boiled eggs and pan-fried little scallops for the protein. Here you see me mixing arugula, romaine, and spinach in this salad. I've made my own hard-boiled eggs with pasture-raised eggs, which I made in my Japanese egg cooker. This salad is a lot of work, I'll be honest, but I love to spoil my husband with something gourmet and scrumptious. Often I make my own recipes. I remember this salad from St. Louis, Missouri, eating it at, I don't know if it was the Magic Pan. It was some restaurant in St. Louis. Originally it was called a California almond mandarin orange salad, but I have adjusted the ingredients and made it my own. I hope you enjoy watching my little video of how I spoil my husband. Who says Catholics have to suffer on Fridays when we don't eat meat? This salad is amazing to the taste. And it should be, because there are quite a few steps in it. However, when you want to get healthy, it's worth making the extra effort, in my humble opinion. We buy the freshest ingredients. We buy organic when possible. We have sometimes homegrown tomatoes, and so just enjoy and bon appetit.